Do you have eyes? Good. Do you have internet connection? Great! Why not start using them for something useful, like making some extra income? These weren't alright, now they're fine. I'm making this video because you need to learn how to make money reading emails. In this video, you learn all about the websites that let you do that. So if you appreciate it, give this video a like. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so subscribe if you want to learn more. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your awesome YouTube, Instagram, TikTok username down below, and I'll put it in the awesome jar and then shout you out just like this on this video. Grab a cup of coffee or wine because it's late here, maybe it's late where you are. Let's browse and learn all that we gotta know. So the first thing you gotta know is that you gotta register on a few websites to do it because all of them have some certain limit per day. So go ahead, browse, and I'll show you the way I search for websites like this when someone asks me about how he can make a few extra dollars online. So I just type in read emails, get paid. And we have this one that I've already checked, inbox dollars, some other website stats that were added by these. Okay, so first we have paid to read email. They have surveys, $1, 75 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. You have one-ish limit per day. So if you complete all of that, you make 1.75, 2.25, 2.75, 3.15, right? 3.35. If I'm right, type in you're right in the comments. And then you have a bunch of surveys, so you can probably make around $5 every single day with just doing these daily tasks just from this website. Then you get, and it's probably going to take you like a few minutes every single day, $5 to start just from this one. So the idea is to sign up on as many of these websites as you can. It takes very little time to read them, and then you get essentially free money. You don't have to spend anything to start. Some of them just give you PayPal cash right away. So it's really good if you want to start making money online, maybe building a Shopify store, you need to spend some money on the domain. This is a way to get all of this for free. And there's some websites like this one that have a top 10 of the best websites, or for example, inbox dollars, you want $1 for downloading the toolbar, okay, that's 5 cents per day for searching the web, that's very easy. 50 cents to $10 for sharing your opinion on daily surveys, minimum cash out $30. Some of them give you just $5 for signing up, some of them give you $10 for signing up, and there's so many websites like this. I'm really impressed. And if you want me to make a video on how much money I can make in 8 hours just reading emails, comment it down below. If this video gets like 100 likes, remind me to just do that. We should definitely make a video on that. If this video helped you out, again, like it. And if you are planning to also start this as a business, as a side hustle, let me know in the comment section. It was a pleasure meeting you today. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial or medical advice. And by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you in the next one. Bye.